I remember interviewing with the board and actually put together kind of a presentation of here's what's going to happen in the aerospace aftermarket. And actually, COVID accelerated kind of what I thought was going to happen. Here are the gems in distribution and MRO that the business has that are underutilized. Here's how we can use those gems to start to build a market leader that's different than most things that you see in the market today. So we're not PMA focused. We are not the OEM like Boeing and Airbus, but we're a very OEM centric business. So think of people like the whole RTX family of businesses or Honeywell, if they need a partner who's not going to reverse engineer their parts, who's going to create kind of bespoke solutions to solve repair and distribution aftermarket opportunities for them and solve problems for their customers, there wasn't a real player with size and scale to step into that market. And that's what I came in looking to build off of the platforms that VSE had inside of the business today.
So you find you're partnering more with the OEMs?
Absolutely. I kind of described it as like a store within a store. If you walk into a big department store like 20 years ago, you just saw racks of clothing. You walk into a department store today, you see kind of mini stores that are specialized in different brands. That's kind of how we operate. And for each brand, we've got leaders who support that OEM. They know the product. We're very technical in nature. They know the products inside and out. We can solve problems with whether it's a repair solution, a distribution solution, a little bit of USM, and we stay away from PMA because again, we try to stick with that OEM centricity and partnership.
How do you feel? I mean, lots of changes in every industry. I mean, you're big DoD, commercial aviation, you got some automotive. COVID changed a lot of the world as far as, now there's a lot of consolidation. Do you feel being in that $1 billion, $1.5 billion market cap range where you're a little bit more nimble than everybody else and you're starting to see some consolidation? Is that helping you a little bit?
Yeah, I think let me say a couple of things. Number one is we were too diversified when I got here. We had like a table with 3 legs on it. We had a defense business that was not integrated. We had an aviation business that was very much separate, an automotive business. That's where I am today. We have sold all of our defense business assets other than things that are very aerospace related. And we're figuring out what to do with our automotive business. But the aerospace business, has grown from just north of $100 million when I got here to this year we'll do about $750 million. So the growth has been very, very large. And this is where the future of the business is. I'd say from a $1 billion+ market cap, being very well capitalized, being nimble and agile, there's benefits to what that can bring to the market because we can move quickly. I'd say, but scale helps as well. I think you'll see us in this next chapter continue to scale the business and focus on, another phase of growth, but not losing any of that entrepreneurial spirit, that nimbleness, that agility.